Hey, what's up, her money holder? So, what's the next target of her money? Can they hit the target or not? What's my prediction to upcoming days? They moving up or they fail us down? And what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Please watch this video. Don't skip and be safe from any more loss. So everything in this video is going to be very special for Harmony coin. But first of all, if we check out the graph from market chain, according this time you can see here very positive, they're going up, but in the first days they very badly falls down. Every graph from market is moving in this situation very badly, my friend. If you check out the Harmony is starting moving up, but the first days they also moving very badly. You can see here they also in negative, but this time you can see here they starting moving up plus 0.47%. They got up. So congratulations, her money coin. Her money is starting moving up like a rocket. So I hope in upcoming days they also moving up, my friend. First of all, check the last 1 hour chart. To this time they starting moving up. I hope you can see here this time they starting moving up, but after this very bad falls, you can see here this time they touch at 0 point they change occur minus 0.98%. They fails down. So this is very bad fall, my friend. And this time if you check out the price as 0.119922 US dollar. So very bad fall, my friend. Let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24 hour, and then we prediction, my friend. The prediction is also very more important. I tell you to what's going on in upcoming days, my friend. If we check out this time in the last 24 hour, they going up, my friend. In the last 24 hour, you can see here they change occur minus 1.78% moving up, and after a very bad falls, my friend, they take a very high jump. So this is the circulation, my friend. If you check out this time, I draw a chart, my friend. After this chart, you see then you understand they go up in upcoming days or they face down. My friend, if you check out, this is the circulation, and every cryptocurrency is moving at this circulation. You can see here this is a point 1, and this is a point 2, and this is a point 3, and the point 4 is also here, my friend. After a jump, after a fails, my friends, they take a high jump, and after a jump they fails down again, and after a fails they take a high jump. So my friend, I think the good time is coming soon, and upcoming days they're moving up. At the end of month they give you very good profit. So the target is half US dollar. I hope they can hit it 0.5 US dollar. This is the target of this month. I hope they can hit it at the end of this month. Please, my opinion as to, please, if you have any plan to buy more than exactly, this is good time to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, my friends. How money holder, please hold it. The good time is coming soon now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe this channel.